We're going to try this for the first time. All right, here we go. It's with me on webcam. Hello, this is me. All right, this you see right here, right there. Yeah, I got my HTML, and so yeah, um, this is what like a practice page I'm making. So I'm going to I've been doing practices. So I'm just trying to see what to add and what to like add even more. Yeah, like I'm gonna build it into something big. This is like a starting of my first fully programmed website. Like I'm gonna start it here because why not start here? Because I'm gonna showcase this only on YouTube, everything on YouTube. Like I'm gonna showcase all of it, like everything. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking of doing, and yeah, so it's just like a practice page. I'm gonna take that. Turn my phone on vibrate. All right. All right. Okay. Now, as you see, I already got my H1, my pretty much my header. So what we got to see is what we got so far. So I'm going to open my 200 OK server and see. Let's go ahead and do this right now. All right. Now, as you see, we got it open. So yeah. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. All we got now is just pretty much practice page. So as you've seen in my code, it was practice page. So therefore practice page is there. So, okay, what would I want to do? I would want to style this element so much. So what I would do, I would go to CSS. So as I link to my style sheet, my text slash CSS, um, style.css, everything. So as you see, I got it all styled. And so this, what it does is just, it links to my CSS. Like it links to this file right here, which is styles.css, which it should be without the S, but I put it with the S, but it don't really matter. It still says the same thing, but with an extra letter. So yeah. Okay. Here we go. Style.css. All right. So what I would do is I would do my H1 space and then start that. Let's see what we can do in the body of that. So in the body, we can actually change the color. Say, okay, I want to change it to my favorite color, blue. So let's do blue. Let's try blue out. All right, save that. And let's see what it do. All right, as you see, practice page, blue. We got that done. And do we want to add a little padding or some little background? Let's do background size. You can't do spaces in CSS, so let's do, yeah. Okay, we got background size. So I've never actually thought of doing that, but background size, is it like percentage? Let's see. 100%. Or 40%. I didn't put no 100. All right, let's see. And let's do background color. All right, so as you see, got my background color. All right, and that's gonna be black. So therefore, I want to see will this work. So I'm about to learn so much more on CSS because I've learned it. I've learned the basics. All right, there we go. Okay. Probably do I need to make that bigger? I just want to make something just to style for fun. So, um, okay, let's go back to our HTML. So therefore, in our HTML, we're gonna add like a paragraph. So therefore, we're gonna do a paragraph, the p tag. So therefore, here's our p tag. We're gonna just do like some random like puddings. Like I just actually let's go and say something. I love to program love to program. My life is a program. This is stupid, but my life is a program. My health is living is not living. What's a good word? My health is process. Let's do process through program. Okay. Okay, I just put something random, obviously, off the top of my head. Okay, so it's nothing too serious, so let's save that. Okay, our time is gone. And okay, now we're gonna do our P element. So we got our P space, all right, got that. Body, we got our body. We're gonna do the color blue again. So we got blue, and then we're gonna do the background, same thing. So the background, the same. Okay, so we got our background size first. So therefore our size, as I put there, is 40 percentage. Therefore, next is our background color. Background color. So, okay, there goes our color, and this blue. So therefore, save that. All right, background color blue. Let's see what we got so far. All right, what does it work? And oh my gosh, oh crap, no. Okay, do you notice what I did wrong? Oh my gosh. Okay, I put both of them blue. So therefore, this was supposed to be black. So therefore, just take out the U and the E. So and just add the ACK. All right, black. All right. So therefore, we should have it. All right. Have this so far and just showcasing this. So say if I want a little styling or a little something that divides the two, I can add a little line right there just to cut it off. You know, the HR tag, it brings a line right there in between, as you see. And we could keep on doing this. Wait, I might actually come up with something. Look, see, I'm just playing with it now. So pretty much like, okay, let's say I do this. So let's copy that, right? Copying isn't the best thing, but I'm just doing it for this. Okay, for this state. All right, so we got that, HR. We're going to do another HR. We're going to do a lot of HR. So this is going to be awesome. And should this be our last? No, it shouldn't. All right. We're going to do one more HR. And all right. This should be our last one. All right. HR. Boom. So therefore, all of these should show just as this, meaning it's still P element. The P element, and as you see in our styles.css, our P element is that. So it sets that. I don't have only time it would be different is if I set a class on a certain P element. There's a majority ID or class that I would have it at. So I will call this center. Let's say I'll call this one center, and then that one would be center for that P element, for that specific P element. So, and I'll have to style that in CSS. So therefore, but this one, we're only using the 1P for now. All right. And as you see, we should see, it's just I know it's messed up. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it for now. So, okay, what I'm gonna do now is actually let's show some images. Let's go there. All right. Let's see what I got. Photography. This website named Pexels or whatever. Yeah, it's called Pexels. They have high quality images on this website up to 4K or higher than that. So I mean, yeah, and they're all free. as you'll see, they're all free. So what we're gonna do is kind of add some type of image, So therefore, we'll have some type of, some the whole segment. So, I think this one would be a good one. Okay. Let's copy the link address. That's what we need. The URL. So I would. Okay, let's call the image like right here. It usually should. I'm gonna call it right here. It'd be the first image. Um, all right. Source. All right. No, not that. All right. And paste. Therefore. All right. We should have it. As you see in our image. So we can actually style our image as well. So let's say we do the image and then going in the body and set the border. I think it's border or padding. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try padding instead because I'm gonna try 200 px. All right. I don't think that's right, but we're gonna try. All right. All right. And I didn't save it, so yeah. Therefore, we need to save it. And yeah, is this what our practice page? All right. Here we go. All right. Oh gosh. And that did not work as I thought. So yeah. Let's see. What is wrong? What could be wrong? Okay. Um I'd have to actually come back to this one. Well, maybe, just maybe. Let's take this CSS out. Let's take this out, save it, and let's see what we got so far. Probably not. Yep. All right. As you see, the CSS was actually nothing wrong because that's what made it big, which was that padding. So therefore, let's go to our index.html. We got our source. Let's try. Is it href? I think if it's href, it would show. Maybe show. No. It don't even show it. Okay. What I was talking about showing was it would show red. You know how it shows red. For example, this is the red. All right. You see this? Yeah. Error. Invalid character. Yeah. Let's go and add that character right back so it won't show. Okay. Therefore, let's see. Is it the href? Okay, wait, okay, let me try. CSS image. Let's do our image. So we got our image, and then I did padding. Therefore, padding. All right, L. Take this L. Just kidding. All right, I had 200 px, so 200 pixels, and let's see what's up. If not, then okay. Why is it blank? It doesn't show a thing. Like it's supposed to be right here. Obviously, so yeah. Okay. I'll come back to that one. I don't know what's up with that one. No. I think I know. Oh my gosh. Please don't tell me this is is it supposed to be 100? I'm just learning. And no, it's not the padding. What did I say? I said the padding or okay. Border. Let's try border. Let's try that border. All right. And let's see. See about the border. Not the border. All right. Let's see. Let's copy this. All right. And paste it down here. All right. Therefore, we should have maybe. No, we don't. All right. We don't have a thing. All right. In the next part, part two of this. I'm going to be going through these parts of HTML, the most useful HTML, the most useful CSS properties, the most useful JavaScript functions, and all that good stuff, so that I can learn this stuff. So, I mean, I got, see, so far, I have just the HTML, as you see, right? I'm going to show you these pages so that you won't be lost on anything. So, yeah, you only need 10 HTML tags. And these 10 tags are actually right here. We got the H1, paragraph, P, italic, meaning it would indent. Yeah, that's the indent. Bold, make it bold, does what it says. Anchor tag. Anchor tags is used mostly for links, I think. Yeah, I think so. UL and LI, meaning make a list, and then that's how you make the drop down bar or whatever, the drop down bar. That's how you use that with the UL and LI. That's how that works. Block quote. I've never actually used block quote before. HR, that's what I was using. It makes a line. Horizontal rule, that means horizontal line. So, and then we have our image. That's what I was just using. And our div, I'm gonna get into divs. I don't do as much divs as I should be, but I should be doing div because div really makes the whole section. It makes section, it makes footer, it makes the whole page. Divs are the most used tag out of all of those. Maybe divs are overused. Divs are overused. I've looked at and inspected code, and so yeah, divs are so much overrated. Okay, now let's go to CSS. Okay, we're gonna let this load. It says 10 CSS to be familiar with. All right, let's see what those are. All right, we got border radius, meaning, oh my gosh. I knew it was something like this. I need to be familiar with this, real talk. Okay, as you see, you got WebKit border radius 4px, and this shows the code for this. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense. This is really helpful, actually. This is super helpful. I can't wait to get started to do this stuff because this stuff I've never known before. Oh my gosh, that looked cool right there. I wonder how to do that. I might use this, something with that. That looks cool. Oh wow, it gets better, man. See that text shadow? Hello reader. Oh my gosh, that looked dope. That looked dope. I can't lie. And he got it white now, switched the colors around. That really looked dope. All right. And then that's a little JavaScript, the if else statement. So yeah. Then we got text overflow, and I think it's like loading slow. Pretty soon I'm gonna have me a Mac, so hopefully my Mac can take off. And this Mac gonna be here on Tuesday or Wednesday. If it's on either day, you'll know. I'll showcase it. I'll do all that blah 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 stuff that has nothing to do with programming, but yeah, I'll do it. It's gonna be epic. And we got resize. What was that last one? We got flexible box model. Let's see what this is. All right. And as I said, we got our container and div. See, I told you divs are used the most. Divs can protect your code. Divs can save your whole code. Without divs, there will be no web page, period. Name a website that does it without the div element. I don't think there's any website. I don't even think it's this website. We're going to check it after this. But yeah, that looked cool. I never even knew you could change the color. I did know that, but I never knew how. See, that looked cool though. I mean, it's tacky, but that looked cool. I think that's a flag. Which flag is that? I think that's like the out of this country flag. No, final project. We're gonna see the HTML, the CSS, puts it all together. No JavaScript, but I'm going to learn how to put together JavaScript. That's what I'm gonna have to learn next. The box align. All right, styling the box. It's really, oh my gosh. See, it's Mac. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use that. I think that's really going to be a helpful, super helpful tool for what I'm going for, which is Ruby. And yeah, conclusion. Thank you so much for reading. All right. All right. So, therefore, as you see the HTML and CSS, we see the importance of it. And we go